how to fix Xiaomi 15 keyboard disappeared. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on additional settings. After clicking on additional settings, you can see the option languages and input. Now click on it and then click on manage keyboards. Now here you can set your keyboard as default. After that, go back to the home screen and then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that, and then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.